Strength starts with the right materials. We use only high-quality steel to ensure durability and reliability in every eye nut we produce. Precision forging is key. Skilled workers place each heated piece into a custom mold, where high-pressure machines shape them into the rough form of an eye nut. Once cut, the steel sections are carefully aligned and transported to our high-temperature heating system, where they are heated to the optimal forging temperature. At extreme temperatures, the steel reaches its ideal malleability, ready for shaping. Skilled workers place each heated piece into a custom mold, where high-pressure machines shape them into the rough form of an eye nut. Skilled workers place each heated piece into a custom mold, where high-pressure machines shape them into the rough form of an eye nut. Next, each eye nut undergoes precise drilling to create the base opening, ensuring uniformity across every unit. State-of-the-art CNC machining is then applied to create precision threads, guaranteeing a secure and reliable fit for fastening applications. After passing all inspections, your eye nuts are securely packaged and shipped worldwide, ready to support industries with strength and reliability.